Welcome back for another GRT price prediction analysis video, and in this video I will be giving you areas that GRT needs to continue holding above in the next coming hours, areas that you also need to see a break above, and also share out my long-term Elliot wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. And at the time of this recording, GRT is holding above the 20-day MA here on the daily chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And the next key area of resistance that we need to see a break above lies at around the $0.15 mark, and a break above that with a successful retest, then I will be expecting higher prices where we can easily see a break above the $0.2 mark. And the other key area of support that we also need to continue holding above lies at around the $0.1 mark, and as long as we continue holding above it, there are high chances that we can get another bounce back to the upper side. Here on the daily chart, we have also seen a break to the upper side of this descending trend line that I have here on the chart. And as long as we continue holding above it, there are high chances that we are going to continue seeing that bullish momentum in the next coming weeks here on the GRT chart, in a move that should also continue to obey the Elliot wave structures. As you can see, back in 2020, GRT gave us a low at around the $0.054 mark before we peaked to the upper side in a wave 1, giving us a high above the $0.23 mark. And after getting the high for that first wave to the upper side, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that also managed to get into the minimum target areas for the second wave, which can be given by connecting the Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is an area that we fully maximized, giving us a low at around the $0.0745 mark. And after getting that low, we started this impulsive move to the upside, breaking above resistances and also our descending trend line, in what could be the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the Fib level 1.618, and that is above the $0.3665 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of this wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure also play out within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And there are high chances that we are seeing such a movement. And if I zoom in on the charts for a better view, you can see that after getting our lows down here, we saw this impulse giving us a high above the $0.1652 mark in what we can term as the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is still a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And once we have a low in place for the second wave, we can get another impulsive push in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upper side. And the minimum target areas for the second wave can be given by connecting the Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618. And that is the area between the $0.1314 mark and the $0.1106 mark. And there are high chances that in case we continue seeing further pullback in the next coming hours, GRT is going to see a pullback into this red target area, which is an area within which we should find support and see a reversal within the area, starting another impulsive move to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, in a move that should also give us a break above significant areas of resistances. So this is my pullback target area in case we continue seeing further weakness on the chart, and a break out of this red target area to the lower side, losing support at around the $0.1072 mark, then that will be suggesting that GRT might come to give us a retest of this descending trend line before we can start gearing up once more to the upper side, breaking above resistances again. So that is what we need to have in mind in the next coming hours here on the GRT chart. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.